So as I was tumbling some brass, I've been doing some lead casting. I went and accidentally left some 225 bullets, which will be sized down to 224, and used in my 223. And these are 55 grain, and they're not treated or anything. They should be shiny silver due to the lead. But since I tumbled them with brass and stainless steel, it picked up this color. Oh well, doesn't mean anything. But yeah, got all this IVI brass I picked up at the range, and I'm going to be loading it with a bunch of 55 grain lead powder coats once I get enough of them cast to make it worthwhile to powder coat. Yeah. Anyway, like, comment, and subscribe. You guys have yourself a great day.